Hello and welcome in our YouTube channel Metallurgical Facts. Subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get notifications for upcoming videos. You can also follow us on our Facebook and on Instagram page for daily quizzes and practice. In case of any query, write us on metallurgicalfacts@gmail.com. So the question is 1 ton of chalcopyrite containing 2% of copper is floated to obtain a concentrate containing 25% of copper. If the mass of the concentrate is 60 kg, the percent of copper in the tailing is. So we have to tell the copper percentage in tailing. So before going to this question, we need to understand what is concentrate, what is concentration process, and what is tailing. So we will see here in short, and we will do this part of concentration whenever we will do the ore dressing part. Understanding this question, before solving this question, we need to understand the process flow. So in the concentration process, what we get two type of products, that is one is concentrate, which is sent to the further process, and the other one is tailing. This tailing is also known as discard or discarded product. So in this question we have been asked that 1 ton of chalcopyrite is given, in which 2% of copper. 1 ton means 1000 kg of chalcopyrite. Okay, so we will separate the sections, and then next this is feed in the feed for the concentration process, and the product is concentrate, which is 60 kg having 25% of copper. Okay, so what is the weight of tailing? So 1000 kg of CuFeS2 is fed into the concentration process, and the concentrate we get is 60 kg. So the weight of tailing is 940 kg, and now we will find the percentage weight of copper in in chalcopyrite. So 1000 kg multiplied by 2, and that is 20 kg, and the weight of copper in concentrate, that is 60 by 25 on 100, that is 15 kg. So initially it was 20 kg, and in concentrate we get 15 kg of copper. So the copper that went into the tailing is, that is 5 kg copper. So we need to find the percentage copper in tailing. So how we will get this? We will we know the weight of copper in tailing, we know the weight of tailing. So this is basically the aptitude question. So the for finding the weight of copper in tailing, weight of copper in tailing by weight of tailing into 100. So 5 by 940 into 100 is equals to 0.532 in percentage. So the option D is correct for this question. So now we can understand the concentration process. The concentration gives us the concentrate, and the other product is tailing. So whatever will not go in concentrate, that will come in the tailing part. So that's why the 1000 kg of ore was fed in the concentration process, and we get the 60 kg of concentrate. So the remaining part will go in the tailing. Similar thing happened with the copper. So this is how we find the copper percentage in chalcopyrite. This is how we find the the copper percentage in concentrate, and we get the 5 kg copper in tailing. Then we applied the formula, that is simply the aptitude formula, weight of copper in tailing upon weight of tailing into 100, and how we found the answer. Thank you guys for your attention. I hope you have understood the concept of this question. Also, I want to let you know, if you are facing any problem in this type of question, basically in mass balancing problems of extractive metallurgy, you can comment here the question, or you can message us on Instagram with your problems. We will try to make video on that questions also. And subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get notifications for upcoming videos. Thank you.